Welcome back to One More Guru. So I've been trying out the Neutrogena Hair Restore Serum for a few weeks now, and honestly, I'm pretty impressed so far. One thing I really like is how lightweight it feels. I was worried it might leave my hair greasy, but it actually absorbs into the scalp really quickly. The application is super simple too. You just use the dropper to apply a small amount directly onto your scalp, and it sinks in fast without leaving any sticky residue or strong scent. That's a big plus for me because I can't stand products that leave my hair feeling heavy or coated. I've also noticed a small change already. There seems to be less hair falling out in the shower, and some of the thinner areas are starting to feel a little fuller. Of course, it's still early, and hair growth products usually take time to show noticeable results. That's the key thing with something like this. You really need patience and consistency. It's definitely not one of those products where you wake up the next day with dramatically thicker hair. I've seen mixed opinions online too. Some people say it worked well for them, while others didn't notice much difference, which is pretty common with hair products since everyone's hair and scalp are different. What I like most is how easy it is to add to my routine. I just apply it to the thinning areas on my scalp every night before bed, and that's it. But you do have to stay consistent. If you stop using it regularly, you probably won't see much progress. So overall, it's not some miracle cure, but it's simple, lightweight, and easy to use, and it might be worth trying if you're willing to stick with it over time. Thanks for watching One More Guru, where we keep it real about trending products and share honest experiences.